Hey friends! Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're cooking some ground meat with a Canadian vibe. Grab 400 grams of ground meat, about 1 pound, perfect for making meatballs. Add 2 eggs to the meat so it gets tender and holds together nicely. Eggs are full of protein and a little secret to make meatballs taste even better. Add some breadcrumbs so the meatballs keep their shape. Breadcrumbs work for any cutlets or meatballs. 2 garlic cloves, magical aroma with a slight kick. Garlic smells amazing and makes your kitchen feel cozy. I'm Isabel, glad to have you on my channel. Add a bit of salt to bring out the flavors. Go easy at first. A pinch of black pepper adds a little zing and character. Fun fact, black pepper originally came to Europe from India. Add marjoram, a herb with a gentle aroma. Marjoram gives a light herbal note, like a mini vacation on your plate. Let's chop some parsley, it'll add freshness and color. Parsley is bright and healthy, making your dish tastier and more vibrant. Add the parsley to the meat mixture. Now chop a shallot and 1 red onion, adds sweetness and aroma. Shallots and red onions are rich in antioxidants and add sweetness. Add a little, even your neighbor will smell your skills. Check out that onion cross-section, like mini art on your kitchen counter. Tip: shallots are milder than regular onions, so your dish stays tender. They bring sweetness and flavor that makes the meat even better. Red onions are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, helping your immune system and heart stay strong. Their deep purple-red color comes from natural pigments called anthocyanins, the same ones found in berries. Fun fact, ancient Egyptians used onions in rituals because their rings symbolized eternal life. And when you cook them, red onions turn slightly sweet, proving that even the boldest flavors have a soft side. Add the onion to the meat and mix it well. You can wear gloves if you want, but I cook for my family, so I go barehanded. A little oil on your hands makes shaping easier. Rub some vegetable oil on your hands. Now the magic begins, let's make our meatballs. Today I'm using turkey. It's gentler than beef, lower in fat, and makes juicy, tender meatballs. We'll start shaping the meatballs soon. Keep them uniform, they cook better. If the meat's too soft, add a bit more breadcrumbs. I love seeing where you're watching from. I live in a small town in western Poland, cozy, fragrant, and full of good food. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss new videos. We need 4 medium potatoes. Today's side dish, mashed potatoes. Potatoes are easy: salt, water, boil. Tip: don't overcook, mashed potatoes stay creamier. Potatoes are full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They're actually much healthier than most people think. They originally came from South America, where the Incas grew them thousands of years ago before they spread worldwide. You know, potatoes are amazing. They can be mashed, fried, or baked. Talk about having layers, like an onion with better taste. And honestly, no matter how you cook them, potatoes always find a way to bring comfort to any meal. Add a bit of salt, water, stir, and start cooking. Tip: slightly salt the water beforehand, flavor pops more. Add a bit of vegetable and butter to the pan. Butter sizzles, like it's singing a song about tasty food. Put the meatballs in the pan. They're even, almost identical, and look great. Even meatballs cook faster and look nicer on the plate. Flip them to cook both sides. Look at them sizzling and looking perfect, a real foodie show. A little patience while they rest. Soon, we'll make a tasty sauce. Take the meatballs out and place on a plate. We'll use them soon. Leave a bit of juice in the pan, that's flavor for the sauce. Use the same pan for the sauce. Melt some butter, and the aroma will be rich and inviting. Add flour and stir well to make the sauce smooth and rich. No Canadian vibe without a touch of maple syrup sweetness in the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard for a tangy, bold flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of mayo and mix until smooth. A smooth, lump-free sauce looks tastier and spreads beautifully. Add a little maple syrup, light sweetness and that Canadian vibe. Pour in some pre-made veggie broth. Flavor deepens and gets richer. Mix well and add a little broth so the sauce is perfectly smooth. Let the sauce simmer a bit. It'll be aromatic, smooth, and super tasty. Sauce is ready. It will make the meatballs juicy, tender, and full of homey flavor. Subscribe so you won't miss my new videos. Put the meatballs in the sauce, juicy, flavorful, and super tempting. Turn them in the sauce and give a bit of time, they'll soak up all the flavor and melt in your mouth. Flip the meatballs. They look super appetizing and nice. While the meatballs simmer, let's prep the mashed potatoes, quick and tasty. Add some butter, and our mash is ready. Serve mashed potatoes hot, it brings out the aroma of the meatballs and sauce. Meatballs are ready too. Sprinkle some chopped parsley for freshness. Place the mash on a plate and wait for the simmered meatballs. Add the savory sauce. Look at that, juicy and delicious. Let the meatballs sit a bit in the sauce, they'll soak up the spices and get even softer and tastier. Thanks for watching till the end. Comment if you liked the recipe. Thanks for watching and liking, it motivates me to keep cooking for you. Enjoy! Savor every bite. The sauce is slightly sweet and very tasty. Enjoy your dinner. See you in the next video. Cook with joy and share your thoughts.